Hi, in this video, we will try to identify which one of the following quantities is a scalar quantity. Now, it is very easy to identify. Obviously, it should be a kinetic energy, but why not the other quantities are scalar? And what is a meaning of scalar quantity? Let us explore it. So, the scalar quantity is a physical quantity which can completely defined by its magnitude along its unit. It doesn't require any direction. It doesn't have any direction. Okay, its magnitude along its unit. So, for example, the speed, time, and all forms of energies, these are all scalar quantities, power, etc. Right? Now, how do we measure the kinetic energy? You just need the magnitude of the mass and the speed. So half mv square, this is the amount of energy possessed by the object due to its motion. Okay. Now, why not the other quantities are scalar quantities? Because I will show you the different examples. Let's say if a car is moving, so this is the north, south, east, and west. This is a reference position, and a car is moving towards east. So if it is moving with 20 meter per second, so 20 meter per second can be considered its speed. But when we will write the velocity, so that is a vector quantity which cannot be just defined by this value, but we also would say towards east. So it's is its direction. In the same manner, let's say you have studied the projectile motion. So if you have thrown a ball and it is making this elliptical path, so you see that at all the positions, the velocity direction is changing because it is moving in a curved path. So velocity direction is changing, and hence momentum direction is also changing, because the momentum is also a vector quantity that is always in a direction of velocity, in a direction of motion. Okay. And what about the free fall motion? This is another, the very famous example. You must know about the free fall motion, that if you release a ball in an absence of air resistance, so how does it change its position? In every new second, in every next second, it covers more distance, right? So at all the points, its acceleration is equals to negative g, which is towards the center of the earth. So acceleration always have a direction. If a car is speeding up, then acceleration will be in the direction of motion. But if you apply the brakes, now the acceleration will be in opposite direction of motion. So acceleration also have a direction, and by the way, the acceleration's direction is always the same in the direction of force. So the right option should be the option C, that is kinetic energy.